up? This is Scott Storch, the #1 producer in the motherfucking planet. I took 6 months off, now I'm back up in this bitch. Get 'em crack.
I'm in the bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it rain, I make it rain. I'm in the bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it rain, I make it rain. Make it rain on them hoes, I make it rain. I make it rain, I make it rain on them hoes, I make it rain. I make it rain, I make it rain on them hoes, I make it rain. I make it rain, I make it rain on them hoes.
I be killing these chicks like major pain. When I make it rain, they be like they'll do it again. From the club to the coop inside my gate, up in my bedroom screaming each other's name. They was purdy, and now it's flirty. Drove little book, now they getting dirty. Don't ask me what my name is, stupid bitch, I'm famous. You gon' make me aimless, leave your ass brainless. I'm trying to stay R&B, but these streets is a part of me, so don't get it twisted. You see